third day of giving myself Christmas presents. I got me a backpack. A very small Adidas backpack. Yan guys. It's very cute. Actually, I don't really need another bag, but nung makita ko to sa TG Maxx, I thought it was a nice size. Mayroon pa tayong malalagyan. Puno na yung closet natin guys, ating mga bag collection. But in a very small size like this, I can find a space for it, and it's very cute. I think this is my third or fourth backpack na parang ganito yung size niya. It's very small. And I love the material. It's color brown, so it's good for this season. Ayan siya. As usual, meron siyang bulsa. Siya bulsa sa atubangan. It's really nice. Look, a pocket, and this another tiny, mayroon pa sa inside na, ay sa loob ng bulsa na to. Malaki yung bulsa niya, ha? Sa harap. Parang it really covered half of the space ng bag. Talagang nilagay nila yung laki ng bulsa, basta ang laki. Tapos meron nga siyang maliit na bulsa. Dito, napakaliit lang. Pwede ko lagay yung tiny perfume ko dito, travel size. And, ano to? I don't know what the purpose of this. You know, meron siyang ganito. Hindi ko alam. Siguro to hold something para hindi naman pwedeng mawala. Ang liit lang ng bag na to. Hindi ko alam guys kung ano ang purpose na to. But I seen this. Yeah, it's something like to hold something. Parang clip siya. So, buksan niya yung likod niya. Buksan natin yung inside. Double zipper siya guys. Ayan, dalawa yung zipper niya. Ayan yung Adidas logo. And meron din siyang zipper pocket. And that surprised me. Meron din siyang zipper pocket sa loob. That's really nice. I don't need to bring a pouch with me because meron na siyang mga bulsa. Maliit lang siya. Nagandahan ako sa kanya. I love it. And the Adidas logo here too in the front. Diba? Ang cute. So, yan. Another gift for myself, from me to me, because I love me. So, yan guys. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully to see you in my next vlog. God bless you guys.